low battery. Guess I better replace them. So if you have this model of Honeywell thermostat with the controls on the bottom, let's change it, go to off, and hopefully there's this level. I'll have to fix that. This one will actually pull out from the bottom. And there you go. 2 AAA batteries. Put it back on. Hook the top. Push it in. And don't forget to turn it back on. So if you have the type with the controls on the front, again, suggest turn it to off. This one, you'll actually pull straight out and it will separate at the crease here. It's easier with 2 hands. And it takes 2 AA batteries. And put it on. Just line it up. And don't forget to turn it back on. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.